welcome to platform navigation, which is pretty much about MetaTrader 4, which is the trading platform being offered by Lirunex. Okay. And my goal for today's event is just to make sure beginners natin would be able to understand kung paano gamitin si MetaTrader 4. This is going to be in Windows or in a laptop or PC, but it's also available sa ibang platforms like yung for Apple users, pwede rin naman, and also on mobile versions, we have Android and iOS, okay? Pretty much to give you the basic or fundamentals understanding of how exactly it works with MetaTrader 4. And hopefully you guys will be able to do your demo trading, also do your live trading, etc. right after the event. So that's really what my goal is for this event. Let's get started. The first thing that we need to do, if in case na wala pa yung mismong application sa you actually need to do installation. On the website, we actually could go to my.lirunex.com. This is actually given na nag-sign up na kayo for an account with Lirunex. So you just need to log in. So once you log in, to download, you just have to click download MT4 here. And then makita nyo mga options. So for us, we will be using MT4 for Windows. Pero if you're an Apple user, then go for MT4 for Mac. So we'll go for MT4 for Windows. So it would open up for you to save. So just click save here. But for this, since I already have available, then I'll just go and cancel. You could go next, then go for settings. And then you could change yung mismong path nung folder na gusto nyo ma-save si MetaTrader 4. You also could change yung name, pero I would suggest just make it the default, which is Lirunex MetaTrader 4. And then just simply go next. So once nag-download na yon, as you guys could see, merong download doon. Then after that, you would be able to see this right away. Ito na mismo yung trading platform na gagamitin nyo if you really wanted to trade using your Forex account. Okay? Normally, kapag nag-open kayo initially, kung kaka-open nyo pa lang, ang magiging format niyan is meron agad ganitong pop-up, which is asking you to log in. Okay? Itong login na to, this is different from yung login nyo on the Lirunex website. Okay? Kailangan nyo mag-create ng account for MetaTrader 4. And yung account na yon would serve as your password and username or login dito sa platform. So para gawin natin yan, let's go back to this page and you just go to my account and then create an account. You just fill out the form. So we have 4 types kay Lirunex, which is standard, advanced, pro, and prime. In terms of getting the best trading environment, I would suggest going for advanced or going for prime. So meron siyang 4 account types kay Lirunex. If you plan to open an account sa kanila, may standard, advanced, prime, saka pro, right? Only difference is dito sa spread as well as sa commission. Yan yung difference nila. So if you want to go for the standard kasi minimum deposit is 25, yes, you can do that. Pero I would suggest to go with advance with $100 deposit kasi yung spread niya, as you could see here, the minimum spread is 1.5 and 1.0 yung minimum spread. Spread is, if you guys don't know yet, spread is yung difference ng buying sa selling price, which means na kunyari nag-buy ka ng price ni Euro USD as your financial asset or currency pair, mas magiging madali sa'yo mag-break even agad and earn profit with a tighter spread compared to the one that has higher. Okay? So yun lang yung magiging difference niya. So if you want na mag-open account and you have the means, then why not open advanced? at the same time, it doesn't mean naman na $100 yung possible mong matalo. You could actually deposit $100 and then maybe kapag hanggang $25 lang talaga yung budget mo, if you lose that, then you could stop and then just withdraw the remaining. What I'm trying to point out is if you're going to trade, might as well have the best trading environment para mas malaking chance natin to make some money or make profits on any trades na gagamitin natin. Or if you have a better means or resources, then go with a prime kasi $8 per lot siya and zero yung spread. Meaning kapag ka-open mo ng trade agad, yung buying mo is equals to selling price. So mas madali ka magpo-profit. Also, 1 pip na spread is equivalent to around $10. So 8 USD is actually lesser. So yeah, again, these are just minimum deposit. If you're after just 25, then just go with. So let's go back. So once you create an account name is actually any would do. And then account type, as we talked about, kung Prime, Pro, Prime, Standard, depende sa account type na gusto nyo. Okay. Currency, kasi I chose USD as my currency. And then the amount, kung gusto nyo mag-deposit agad, then put in here. And then click the I confirm, then create account. Ka-create nyo ng account, magkakaroon kayo ng pop-up giving you yung mismong login and then yung server name na gagamitin nyo for the login. Okay? And then once na meron na kayo nito, the login, it will ask you to change the password to a password na gusto nyo gamitin. So once you have your MetaTrader login and then you change the password, and then you also have the, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, you also have the MetaTrader server, then you're good to go. So we can go back to yung mismong trading platform. So you just have to input yung login, password, and then yung trading server. Dalawa lang naman siya, so it would be live and demo. Then most likely, if it's a live account, then you choose a server that says Lirunex Limited Live, and then click login. For you to know na successful, sa upper left side, as I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo, medyo maliit siya. Makikita nyo dito yung account number or yung MetaTrader login nyo. So kapag nandiyan na siya, then most likely you were able to log in successfully. Okay? Another thing, minsan kasi closed off siya, nag-close siya dito. So for you to log in, few things, so file and then open an account or log in to trade account para mag-open ulit yung pop-up and you're good to go. So after you log in, you can start trading, but before that, we'll go through the layout. Okay, Market Watch is this. As you could see, alisin muna natin to. Ito yung default na section ng Market Watch. Okay, so makikita nyo dyan is symbol, bid, saka ask. Okay, for those that not familiar, bid is your selling price, ask is your buying price. Okay, so yung difference nitong dalawa is what you call the spread, yung the one that we're talking about earlier, dun sa mismong apat na account types. Ang difference niyan is, kunwari, AUD, CAD. So nakita nyo, 0.89588 and then 0.89600. So may difference siya ng slightly around 1.2 pips or 12 pips, right? So ang mangyayari is you buy yung price at the ask price, which is yung higher price, and then merong selling price na mas mababa, right? So what end up happening is at loss ka agad, may loss ka agad na few difference, which is around 1.2 pips. Kailangan si selling price mo is higher than your buying price para mag-profit ka. So ganun siya. Since meron siyang slight difference sa price, then kailangan mag-move muna yung spread to equalize dun sa buying price mo before you make a profit. So sa market watch, again, makita mo dito yung symbol and as well as yung bid and ask price. As you could see, merong mga currency pairs na grayed out. Ang ibig sabihin lang niyan is hindi nyo siya pwedeng i-trade. Wala yung option to open a buy or a sell position dito sa financial asset na yon. So just to give you an example, okay. So meron tayong Euro USD and Euro USD.ECN, right? Yung Euro USD.ECN, ito is hindi siya grayed out, and then yung Euro USD lang is grayed out. Okay? So kapag nag-right click tayo sa chart, makita nyo agad yung trading na option, and then you have an option to create an order. Pero kay Euro USD, wala yung option na yan to trade. Walang option to open a trade dito sa Euro USD, which means na hindi siya available. Common issue to sa mga mobile users or mobile traders kasi usual questions nila is bakit hindi nagkakaroon ng option to trade doon sa mismong asset na yon. Ibig sabihin lang, you actually chose yung wrong currency pair and you have to make sure na tama yung currency pair na gagamitin mo. So to do that, dito sa mismong app, sa Market Watch, you just right-click and then makikita mo si symbols. Pwede mo siyang i-click lang, right-click and then click, and you could see meron ding shortcut na Control U. Pwede rin naman yon. So symbols. And you would see here, maraming options. Una is yung reference. Sa reference, actually, dito yung mga currency pairs na hindi mo pwedeng i-trade. So make sure na hindi ka kumuha ng mga currency pairs at this section. And then the remaining are available. So we have Forex, commodities, I could see merong oil, gold, saka silver. Index, for those na not familiar, index is just like stocks, pero it's a bag of stocks. Kumbaga maraming stocks on that index. Kunyari, si S&P 500 composes 500 US stocks. So ganun lang si index. So meron niyang index for France, meron for Australia, meron for China, Japan, etc. So marami kang option for index. Index, we also have crypto. There's 5 crypto here, which are the major ones. Merong Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, etc. And lastly, yung shares, which are yung major shares, US and UK, or international as well. So these are the list of the shares na pwede mong gamitin. Thank you for listening and attending. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day. Okay? Thank you and enjoy the rest of the day.